Hi, welcome to Air1 Auto. This is 2012 Dodge Caravan. This van have a problem with the window switch driver side. Let me show you. See that window switch. See this window is a little bit down. It's not going anymore down both sides. And let me put the power. You can see that. See, it's not going up and down. And the mirror, see, when I press this, it's not going anywhere. This is the mirror, like power mirror. It's supposed to go up and down when you press this. Nothing. But the only things work is when I push this. When I push this was, see, from outside. Watch. So only both windows working. Look in the back, the rear. Obviously, people think the switch is bad because this is not working. This side is lock, unlock is working. Everything good. Right here is good. So they just replaced the switch, and this happened to this van. This is a customer car. And they replaced the switch. Let me show you the switch. This is the old switch, which is good switch. Nothing wrong with that. So they bought another one. They put this. The same thing happened. Then they bring to here. You can test the switch, how to test it, but first of all you need to do check the fuse. This is the first you will find. Most of the time you'll find the problem, the fuse problem, because there's a separate circuit for this and for this, for that. These are separate circuit. These two working together, so that's why it's not working. Let me show you where is the fuse. So first try with the fuse. Hopefully it's gonna help you. Let me show you the fuse. Open the hood, then there's a little fuse box. See, there's a tab right here and tab right there. Just push the tab and it will come out. Then in here you see this M26 10M fuse for mirror, driver side window, driver side door. See there, this one, this is 10M M26. So then you look M26 right here, M26 6. This is M26. So we need to check this fuse. Most of the time this fuse is bad. Let me check that. Show you with the power probe. This is a power probe I have. It's so easy to check the fuse. When you touch the terminal, you get the beep. In this terminal, you hear the beep. This is good. And I'm gonna go to other side. See this? Yeah, there's the same noise. Let me check this one. Like this, our fuse is right here. M26. See, there's no buzz or anything. So this fuse is short. We're gonna replace that. If you want to check the fuse with the test light, just turn on the switch, just on, like this. See? Just turn on, don't start, or you can start it, no problem. And put the one lead, battery negative. light is flashing now when I touch the terminal. See that? But look this one. Look this one, when I touch, it's not gonna light it. See this? No light. No light. Side. Now that means this fuse is short. Let me show you the fuse. Take this fuse off. See, this fuse is split right here. This is a 10 fuse. If you don't have the extra fuse, sometimes there's an extra, they put some fuse, so check that you have extra. Like which one have a both side no light? See, this one have a both side no light, this side have no light either. So this is an extra fuse. Let me take this off. Take this one. This is a good fuse. See this? No. Very good fuse. Let me put this in here. Now let me check our window how it is. See there, window is working perfect. The side as well working perfect. And the mirror, the left side. Working good. So there's a $150 switch. Please don't buy switch before you test it out. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching, guys.
If you like the video, please like and subscribe.